Hello guys, this is Expeditious Cuba here and I am back again with a new video. I am sure you are busy with your studies. Or you must be waiting for this boring lockdown to end. But right now, it's good to keep ourselves busy with some creativity. You know, an idea can change our life. Yes, that's true. And we should be Atmanirbhar. So let's start my video. Hello guys, this is Expeditious Cuba here, and in this video, I'm going to do the review of the new GMS 3x3. Let's do it. So guys, this is a GMS 3x3 from the GMS line. The turning of the key was really fast. My favorite 3x3. It has some lubey type of some lubeness, but really nice 3x3. My average on this 3x3 is 15.22. Corner cutting is also quite nice, and I just love this 3x3 a lot. I also have one more 3x3, which was this one, but this one was quite not smooth, but this is really smooth, and turning is just nice. Some algorithms can turn easily. Layers are also quite nice, so algorithms can perform easily. So that's why I just love this cube, and one of my favorite cubes, but really nice. I just love it, and I think GMS has done a really good job for making such type of cubes, and I really love this cube for smooth turning. It also has quite nice color shades, and just love this cube for turning. I also have the GMS 2x2, which is quite fast, and this 2x2 was quite nice, and same as the 4x4. The 4x4 was really fast, and I really love this 4x4 a lot. The 4x4 means more comfortable in hands, but the 4x4 has some lockups which I don't like, but the 4x4 was also quite nice, and I also like the 4x4 for smooth turning. And this 4x4 was also from the GMS line, but I think GMS has done a really good job for making quite good cubes in a good price. Especially the 4x4 was pretty smooth, has a really nice turning like the GMS 3x3. That's why I just love this 4x4 a lot. Color shades, okay, we have the GMS 2x2, the GMS 3x3, and the GMS 4x4. So let's see the color shades. The white looks same, red looks same, yellow looks same, orange looks same, and blue looks same, as well as green looks darker on the 3x3 than the 2x2 and 4x4. In the size comparison between a 2x2 and the 3x3, this is almost like 5 millimeters bigger, and turning is just awesome like the 2x2 and the 4x4. So comparing the size between my old 3x3 that I have, this is the I think the Velong WR, and yeah, this is bigger than. So this is the Velong WR, and this is the GMS 3x3. So the WR was my old main. Also, it was quite nice, but it has some roughness, but it was quite nice. This is the first version, and this is the GMS. The WR was quite really fast. As you can see, the layers turn easily, and the 3x3 is also the layers turn easily. The color shades on the WR looks a little lighter, and red I love on the WR, really nice. On the GMS, the color sheets are just awesome, brighter and really nice. Wow. Corner cutting, okay, 45 degree, 30 degree, 20 degree, 50 degree, 60 degree. Yeah, corner cutting at every point, and upper corner cutting at every place. Yeah, so the cube is quite nice, has really nice color shades. I love this 2x2. So the 2x2 was quite nice. I also love the 2x2 as well. This 3x3 is also quite nice. 2x2 was much smoother than the 3x3, I think. So 2x2, I really like the GMS 2x2 a lot, and because it was quite fast. 3x3 is also quite nice and has a good buttery turning, but as for a Speedcuber, I think I should give 9 out of 10, and it's really nice. So I also love the 2x2 for smooth turning. 3x3 is also quite nice, and especially the logos, I just love the logos. Like, yeah, M means magnetic. 2x2 has some quite nice tensions, and yeah, my average on the GMS 2x2 is 5 seconds. So I think like GMS is now doing a really good job for making such type of cubes, because these cubes are really fast and I just love them for the turning. 3x3 is just, oh my god, looks like I'm holding a butter. So yeah, very nice, tensions awesome. Same feeling like the Volk. Yeah. Comparing it to the shades with the 5x5, this is the Chi 5x5 that I have. It is also quite nice, and I will do a review of this one as well. I will do the review of 2x2, 4x4 and the 5x5 in the next videos, but yeah, really nice. A 5x5 comparison between a 3x3. The color shades looks bit cool, almost same. This one looks more lighter. Okay, color is more lighter on the 5x5. Red is also lighter. Now, this is the Chi Chijenges, the only 5x5 that I have till now. This 5x5 is really nice for a beginner, because I am a beginner on the 5x5. My average is around 1 minute and 49 seconds, but I'm practicing more and more to be a sub 130. So basically, like, yeah, I'm a beginner because I'm practicing more 5x5. So quite nice. Color shades are quite good. On 5x5, the blue color is more lighter, so that's maybe a problem for me, because I want colors like this, and turning is also like this. Logos are also different, same as Chi, but over here it is written M, but over here it is not written M. So that means this is a magnetic 3x3, this is a non-magnetic. Yeah. So 5x5 was also quite nice. Some roughness though, but good. And lastly, comparing the size with the hexagon cube. This is the hexagon cube. This is a magnetic hexagon cube, which I bought it from Prem Ratna. and this is not available on Cubello. And I think I have the Mega Minix, but I also have one Mega Minix, but it has been broken, so I can't show it to you. But Hexagon Cube is a magnetic. I can feel the magnets, and this cube was also quite nice. So let's do the comparison. Sizes. Basically, the Hexagon Cube is a bit like big in size because of its curvedness, and turning on the Hexagon Cube is really nice. I have also reviewed this cube in my unboxing video of the Hexagon Cube. I have reviewed it and it's quite nice. Color shades also are quite good, darker and nice. Shades are also quite nice. This is a stickered, this is a stickerless 3x3, this is stickered, but it is stickered, but it is really nice. Like, stickered cubes are not bad, sticker cubes are quite good. There's just a problem of stickers, but sticker cubes are really nice. Even Felix Zemdeek also use stickered cubes. And turning on Hexagon Cube is really nice. Same as with 3x3, the layers can easily move. As you can see, my hands are so fast on this cube because of the turning. And I like the mechanism because cube is just feeling awesome. I am practicing BLD blindfolded on this 3x3, but till now I don't have learned it properly. So maybe in the next video I would do some blindfold solves, but I'm not sure because I'm just learning blindfolded. But maybe in the next video I can just upload a blindfold solve. So yeah guys, this was for the video. Hope you like and enjoy it. And this video was basically for the TMS 3x3, and both of these 2x2s and 4x4s really nice. All these cubes are quite nice, especially my favorite is now 3x3 because this is the best out of the 2x2 and the 4x4. But still the 2x2 turns really nice, but maybe I think the 3x3 is much smoother. And size comparison between the 4x4 and the 3x3 is, this is almost 5 millimeters bigger. So this was for the video guys. Hope you like and enjoy my video. So if you like guys, please subscribe my channel to see my new videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye guys. I will meet you soon. Remember, an idea can change your life. So with this, bye bye guys. I sign out.